either adjustable wrench or heavy duty one. What you're going to do, break the nut free. When the nut is free, the bottom will turn. Okay, now I said the lining was loose, so we got to go up. Take and lower this one down, which actually shoves it up. See the difference? When that's adjusted, you got a gap in between there, tighten that up. What I normally do is test it before I make it all tight. No rivet. Put it right back onto the anvil. It's already got a rivet in, it's loose. You want to tighten it up.
Too tight.
Came down a little cocked. Right now that's too tight there. So, turn the power back on, it'll reset. That's why I don't tighten it until I get the right adjustment. Alright, we'll take and pop this one back out.